Imagine if you had a magic robot friend that could create amazing school projects, class presentations, or even college slides faster than you can say abracadabra. Yes, I'm talking about Gamma AI, your secret weapon. Hi, I am Vivaansh and today I am going to tell you how Gamma AI can make your school life way easier, whether you are 8, 10 or even college goers. Ready? So let's blast into the world of Gamma. What is Gamma AI? Gamma AI is like a friendly genius assistant that help you create presentations, amazing school projects and make study notes in just a few clicks. It's smart and easy to use. It works like Iron Man's Jarvis but for your homework. How kids can use Gamma AI? Forgot about your science projects? You can use Gamma AI to create amazing slides with pictures and fun facts. For college going students, research work, you can use Gamma AI for making reports and slides with layouts and graphs. So guys, now we will see how it works. So first we will open Google Chrome. Now we will type gamma.app and press enter. Now this page will open in front of your laptop. Now you will click on login button. So you can click on continue with Google. Now you can choose your account. So I am choosing this account. Okay, so it will sign in. Okay, now it's done and you can go to create new. Now here you can click on generate. When you click on generate, this page will appear. Now you can enter your prompt or describe how your PPT should look. So I have already made the prompt. So this is the prompt. Okay, you can use and use this prompt also, but you can also modify this prompt and click on generate outline. So you can see that it's generating my outline. So here I took a topic of photosynthesis, so it's just generating the written part. Okay, so now we can scroll down. Here are themes and we can select themes. So you can click on view more if you want more themes, but I like this one, so I can do. And you can select the text. You can select minimal, concise, detailed or extensive. Now you can select the source of images, AI, web images or like that, and you can type the style of image you want. So this was our pre-setup part. Now let's click on generate. 3, 2, 1 and it's generating the PPT. So you can see it's generating the PPT so fast. You can see it's so fast generating the PPT. You see, it has already generated 5 pages. It's on the 6th page. So you can see under 2 minutes it will generate the PPT. It's on the 9th page. So you can see the speed of AI and you will be amazed by seeing that it has already generated the PPT. So as you can see, it has generated. Now you can click on present and it will enter the present mode. So as you can see here, it has generated with very good pictures, and the language is good and understandable for kids. So see, it has generated 10 slides. So you can see how helpful is Gamma AI. You can also download this PPT. So here, just a second. So this was a PPT. Now you can exit. So now you can download the PPT from share and export. You can create it into a PowerPoint file. So now it's exporting the file. So see how helpful is this. Okay, so it is exporting. Okay, so it has already exported and download has started. Now I will show you more prompts I generated using Gamma. So this was the last prompt I generated. This is 5 most advanced robots in the world. So let me present. See, the visual AI images is very attractive. As you can see, it's very attractive to the kids. Challenge time! I'll give you a challenge to make a PPT with Gamma of your favorite superhero. Share it with me in the comments below. With Gamma, you not only make presentations, you become a presentation superhero. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next video. Keep learning, keep building.